In the heart of East Africa, a nation is rising, Tanzania. It's also land of underlying spirits, spirits that refuse to be silenced, that demand justice and democracy. The story begins with opposition party Chadema, their quest for constitutional reforms. For years, they have been demanding changes in the limit of presidential powers and ensure free and fair elections. The party leader, Freeman Mbowe, has been at the forefront to this struggle, facing numerous challenges and intimidations along the way. On January 24, 2024, hundreds of Chadema supporters scattered in Dar es Salaam to demand for change. The police responded with force, arresting over 500 people, including the top opposition leaders, for example, Tundu Lissu and Freeman Mbowe himself. The international community took notice of the brutal crackdown, with European Parliament passing a resolution urging the end of forced evictions and human rights abuses in Tanzania. The government has been accused of cracking down on dissent using arbitrary arrests and intimidations to silence the opposition. But the people refuse to back down. They are demanding a better future, one where they can live without fear of persecution or arrest. The struggle for democracy in Tanzania is far from over. Despite the challenges, the protests continue in Tanzania, and the citizens are demanding a better future where they can live without fear of prosecution or arrest. The international community has taken notice, with United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Michelle Bachelet, calling for restraint and respect for human rights. Tanzanian government claims to be committed to democracy and human rights, but its action suggests otherwise. The government has been accused of using excessive force against the protesters, arresting and detaining opposition leaders, and restricting freedom of speech. The people of Tanzania are not giving up. They are standing up for their rights, demanding justice and democracy. They are unyielding spirits of Tanzania, and their voices will not be silenced. The world is watching, and it's time for the government to listen. The struggle for democracy is just about politics, but it's also about the people, their lives, and their future. It's about the right to live without fear, to speak freely, and to demand accountability from those in power. Remember the words of Nelson Mandela: the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The people of Tanzania will rise. Make sure to smash the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.